Imagine being able to create anything you can dream up for your website with just a few simple prompts. ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas makes that possible. Now, I don't know how to code, but I can prompt ChatGPT to make what I want. And what I want is a mortgage calculator. So in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how after 4 or 5 iterations, I get exactly what I want, and the finished product is pretty amazing. So here you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and finish typing in this prompt to get the party started with my mortgage calculator. As you can see, I'm getting really specific with the types of things that I want to be able to input and the types of output that I want, all the way down to line height and font sizes and things like that. So I'll just wrap this up real quick and we'll go ahead and see what that looks like. So the prompt is finished. I'm just going to go ahead and push enter, and now you can see this thing just cranking out the code for me. Now I'll go over to my Fast Pages 365 website and go ahead and set up the widget for the code, right? It's just a little code widget that I can just go ahead and paste that code into, hit save, and now I can just go ahead and hit the preview button. But first I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of buffer padding in there, right? Because white space is your friend when it comes to website design. So I'm just going to go ahead and, spread out those margins a little bit. Save it and preview it. All right, so I can see right away there's something wrong. It seems to have affected the width of my block. So I don't like that. So I'm going to go ahead and ask ChatGPT to fix the design because something is wrong. It's affecting the container size. So I asked it to go ahead and correct that code, and let's see what it comes up with here. It's going to go ahead and go through this line by line. Okay, so now it's finished and it gave me a summary of what it just did. I'll go ahead and copy and paste that code back into my code widget on my website, and we can save it and preview it and see what happened. And look, it fixed the container size issue. That's awesome, right? Let's go ahead and test it real quick. Okay, we'll hit calculate, and now I can see that the results, they're kind of scrunched up. I really don't like the way that they look. They're hard to read. So let's go ahead and edit that prompt to change those results. Okay, we're going to go ahead and copy and paste that into my widget, and we'll give it a quick test and see what those results look like. And boom, look at that. They're spaced out nicely now. I really like the way that looks. But why stop there? I think we can do better. Let's say in the results section that we want to show the purchase price and the loan amount above the other results in that order and see what it comes up with. Okay, we'll go ahead and copy that, update it, and give it a quick test and see what happens. Look at that. Purchase price, loan amount, that looks great, right? Now that I think about it though, in the results section, I want to add the down payment amount. So I'm going to ask it to do that real quick. Okay, that's better. I like the down payment being there. That's good. But now I notice that this down payment being a dollar amount or a percentage can cause problems, right? Because the calculator can't really understand if I'm saying 3.5% versus, the 3.5% in a dollar amount. It kind of gets confused. So in my quest for perfection, I'm going to go ahead and ask it to create 2 separate down payment fields, one that has a dollar sign in front of the input box and the other with a percent sign, so that it's going to give me the best possible results based on what the user puts in, so that the person can put in a dollar amount or a percentage and make it as clear as possible for the user to understand, right? It's all about that user experience. So we'll go ahead and run this, and then we're going to go ahead and update the code field and give it a try and see what it looks like here. I like the way that it looks, right? It's got the dollar amount and the percentage. So let's go ahead and give this a try here. All right, let's go ahead and hit that calculate button, and boom, look at that. So purchase price, down payment, loan amount, it's all there. It's all awesome. It looks great on the page. And of course, you can customize things. You can probably ask ChatGPT to change colors or different things, but I think this looks great. So like I said before, I don't know how to code, but ChatGPT with Canvas does. So now it looks like I can create anything I can dream up for my websites. I build all my websites on fastpages365.com, where there's a free academy that'll teach you everything you need to know about setting up websites, funnels, courses, email marketing, SEO, all that stuff. And if you decide you need a hand, I've got a chatbot button right on the website so you can reach out to me.
It is not hard, but it will require your effort. Peace out, boss.